all I got, guys. I thank you, God.
Then you faded, but I rock you like a baby in a car.
Welcome to another video. Today is Monday and this is my maintenance vlog. I want to go make a new hair. Okay, so I want to install my frontal and do my nails and paint my toenails at least to look girly. So I showed you guys yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday, so it was my brother's birthday on a Wednesday. We decided to do the party on a Sunday, go to my family house, celebrate with my parents and my family. Whenever it's a birthday, we always prefer doing it family, like celebrating it with family. You get, so it's much better doing it with family. So yesterday, that was what we did yesterday. We did some games. You saw my sisters and we had fun. It was fun. I just wanted to attach that to the clip, but this is a maintenance vlog and I want to go install my frontal. Yeah, I've said that before. So guys, now I'm just going to go shower. I'm going to go have my bath. It's my maintenance vlog, so I'm pampering myself today. I'm relaxing. I'm pampering myself today, and I'm carrying you guys along. I don't know how I'm going to do it because this is very stressful. Like content creation is very stressful because YouTube should do and start paying me. They need to start paying me because this is labor. It is hard live one. It's not easy. So whenever I'm seeing someone's video, I'm like, wow, you're trying. You know? Yeah. So I'll be carrying you guys along with me in this journey. Okay, so let's get started. The time currently should be 8 o'clock. So the time currently should be 8 o'clock and I really want to take YouTube very serious. I really want to start taking YouTube very serious because the energy you put in this YouTube. You see why I don't want to do frontal installation because I don't like my edges falling off. This one I'm even seeing here, zoom some. I don't know, the girl that picked this hair gave a space here. So now I'm just imagining how my hair would be after the frontal installation, how my front hair would be. I know Kukuma get front hair, but we're going to do it because we want to look good. So guys, I really want to start taking my YouTube seriously, drop content because 4,000 watch hour of this YouTube stuff is not easy to get, and the YouTube algorithm is crazy. It's so crazy. If you don't have a strong mind, you can't conquer it. And if you don't have a community, you can't conquer it. And this is the only platform I'm building. I'm not building TikTok for it. I'm not even posting on my Instagram about my YouTube channel. So I'm just posting only here. Like, I want to build here first. Understand what I'm doing first. Okay. Anyways, there's nothing so much. There's just my daily life activities and sharing my 1% opinion about some matters, and dropping some beauty tips and skincare tips. That's just it. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long because it's looking like it's gonna be long, but I'm not going to make it too long. So guys, thank you. I want to thank all my subscribers. I come online and I see 1,500 subscribers. Like, hey, I'm so grateful. Trust me, I'm so grateful. I never the progress, I'm not, maybe I got to my 1,000 subscribers, like I took my mind off it, but it's progressing and I'm so glad. Although no money comes from subscribe count, but it's quite encouraging, very encouraging when your subscribe count is increasing. It shows that people are discovering your channel and people are clicking. But the cocoa is the video. Please try to watch my videos to the end, and thank you guys for watching and taking interest in watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys. So let's go and transform, because I'm about to transform so that body please guys, let's go. I'm gonna shower. I've already turned the jacuzzi on, so it's already, the water is almost getting filled up. Let me go and shower. Talk to you guys later. A quick one before I go and have my bath. This is the frontal I'm installing. I've already shown you guys this hair I got on my last video, or 2 videos before this. So this is the hair I'm installing from Beherna Hairs, and she wants a review. So I'll be reviewing this hair from her. I already love the volume. I already love the volume of the hair. It's full. So let's see what we can achieve with this frontal. So this is what I'm installing. There's another hair coming on. I ordered 2 hairs, but she forgot to put the second hair, so it's already on the way coming. That one is also a frontal, but I don't know, I'm in my frontal era. I love my frontal again. So since there is 6x6, why frontal? So what am I saying? I'm always keeping my I'll wait for the other one to come in. So when it comes, I'll also show you guys. You can patronize her. She's good. Check her out on Instagram. She's nice. Brenna World Official. That's her name on Instagram. Brenna World Official. So guys, patronize her. So guys, let me go and shower. Hey guys, good morning. Okay, so I was meant to install my frontal yesterday, but I couldn't go, so I'm going there today to install the frontal. But I said, let me talk with you guys this morning. We just got to 1.6k subscribers, and I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to this channel. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. These Nepal people, I'm so grateful and very thankful. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all my subscribers, and we are all road to 2k subscribers. So guys, that is it. I have a shoot today. It's scheduled tomorrow, just depending on when I'm done with my hair. So I have a shoot like a clothes brand. I'm going to attach the name on the screen. You can patronize them anytime. I might attach the videos of the shoot here, or I might not, but I'm already in the fashion house for the testing for the shoot, so I just need to test the dress, then go tidy up my hair and my nails, then come back for the shoot. That is where I am currently, guys. So this is it. They have nice things. Don't worry, I think I will definitely attach the videos here so you guys can have a look. So from here I would be going to the hair salon to have my hair done, and that is it.
3 days later, one eternity later.
Hey guys, hey loves, how you guys doing? So guys, I am so sorry I couldn't install my front door the day I said I was going to install it. This is another day, and I think I am now gingered up. I'm now in the spirit of installing my frontal. Like, I'm now in the spirit of installing my frontal, and nothing is going to deter me this time around because I have my reasons. So I'm off to go install my frontal and see you guys, and do my nails and my lashes. See you guys when I see you. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. How do you guys do? Welcome back. So guys, I want to do the unboxing of all I got yesterday. So this is all I got, guys. I spent a lot unboxing all I got from the store I went to yesterday before my installation. Finally, I've done my installation. So guys, we're going to be ending this vlog here. I feel like this vlog has taken forever. So guys, the first thing I'm going to show you is my soap. I got this Dove from, I got this. Can you guys see my nails? Perfect. So I got this blemish clarifying foaming cleanser. Yes, I've heard a lot about this, and I got it for my face. And the next thing I got was I restocked on my CosRS. This is the old one I'm using, and it's almost going down. So I restocked on this before the price was triple. I restocked on it. Then the next thing I got is my sunscreen. This is the sunscreen I got, and this is the one I'm using, which is almost all finished. And I went to buy another, but I didn't see the one with this pump. This is the one they gave me, the one with the cup head. But they say the difference is just the ml, so I got it. The next thing I got is this Vaseline. Okay, so I got this vitamin B3 baby oil Vaseline, and guys, we're about to glow. Can you see? We're about to glow this Xmas. So, see, can you see my hands? Can you see? Oh, the smell is so nice and it's so soft, very soft. So guys, hey, we're about to glow. Hey, we're about to glow this X mask. Like, this is so good for Hamatan. So lovely. So I got it, and the next thing I got is Hatomogi sunscreen. I got this sunscreen because of this cream. I also got this cream. Yes, this is the cream I got, and this contains glycolic acid and some ingredients that are not sun loving at all. So I got this so I could combine with it. This has a bigger ml, 250 ml, so I can use it for my body. So I got this too. I have to use this with a sunscreen. I got this alpha. Let me try this alpha. I'll drop my review on this alpha. I got it, and yeah. So the next thing I got is this balance. This is the I don't know if the reflection is bad, but I got this balance. This is the vitamin C brightening serum, and I just got it. This is what it looks like for my face. It promises to remove my black spots and boost my skin, a healthier skin. So guys, the next thing I got is this sugar scrub. I said, this X mask, we're about to glow. Guys, we're about to glow like skin on skin. I spent money, yo. So guys, the next thing I got is this sugar scrub. Next thing I got is this sugar scrub. Okay. So I was mistaking this for Tree Hot, but it's not actually Tree Hot. This is a brand from Fruit of the Wakali. Guys, it was shaped like a Tree Hot. Like, so the next thing we got is my bathing soap. This is the Dove. You all know I use Dove on this channel. This is the one I was using. This is the one I was looking for, but I didn't see it. So I had to go with this Silk Glow. This is the Gentle Scrub. Very nice. Very, very nice. So guys, that's what I got. The next thing I got is this eye max for my under eye. So I got eye max and promises to brighten and firm my eye max. I didn't restock on this my moisturizer because I was actually expecting to get annual moisturizer, but they didn't have annual. And I'm contemplating whether restocking on this or going for the annual moisturizer because I heard that annual moisturizer is very, very moisturizing. So I want to try it out. And the next thing I got is my body spray, the Confetti body spray. And I think that is basically it all. I think that's basically it all, guys. This is my dollars, my money. And I got my my bit sponge, and that is it, guys. So guys, unboxing done and dusted. We've come to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was worth your time. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. Subscribe to my channel. Click the like button, drop your comments, and see you in my next video. I'm so grateful for my 1.6k subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I'm so honored, and I am ginger to create more content. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. You can ask me questions in the comment section and I would reply you. Okay, so guys, bye.